Can jellyfish live forever?
To understand this, let us observe the life cycle of a jellyfish. A fertilized egg of a jellyfish forms planula. Planula then attaches itself to a hard surface like a rock or seafloor. Then it transforms into a polyp. Then through a process called budding, tiny jellyfishes emerge from the polyp. Some jellyfishes may live for a few hours, some may live for a few months, while some may live for several years. However, a type of jellyfish known as Turritopsis dohrnii, which is also called the immortal jellyfish, is said to live forever.
Oh, stop bluffing. How's that possible?
When the immortal jellyfish is injured, stressed, or cannot find enough food, it reverses its life cycle. It transforms into a blob-like structure called cyst, which then transforms into a polyp. Then again, through budding, tiny jellyfishes emerge from the polyp, thus making Turritopsis dohrnii immortal.